In the world of sodas, it can be hard to know how to make healthy decisions. Alright, sorry to burst your bubble, but unfortunately no soda, and especially neither of these sodas, is gonna get you a gold star at your next checkup. But if you are going to choose one of these sugar cubes in a bottle, we're here to help you figure out which is better. So buckle up, because we've jumped into the nitty-gritty on these fan favorites. It's time for Mountain Dew and Sprite to show us what they're made of in today's Soda Smackdown. At first glance, the Mountain Dew ingredients list is much longer. While a longer ingredients list doesn't always mean worse, if I had to make a snap decision, I'd usually opt for the shorter list item. But let's take a look at the actual ingredients. It looks like there's a lot of overlap here. In fact, every ingredient in Sprite is also included in Mountain Dew. The shared items on the list are carbonated water, high fructose corn syrup, citric acid, natural flavors, sodium citrate, and sodium benzoate. Mountain Dew, however, continues the list with 7 additional ingredients. On this list, we find caffeine, which is a stimulant that I'm sure you are familiar with. Caffeine is addictive and increases your heart rate and blood pressure. If you have a history of heart conditions or high blood pressure, you definitely want to think twice about consuming too much. And caffeine consumption by children is even more concerning. The American Academy of Pediatrics recommends that children under 10 keep their caffeine consumption below 85 milligrams per day. This means that the 91 milligrams in one bottle of Mountain Dew are already past that limit. And the limit for younger children is even lower. Also notable between the two is the lack of food dyes in Sprite compared to the presence of yellow 5 in Mountain Dew. When it comes to nutrition, you want to avoid ingredients that don't have a purpose in your food. The ingredient should ideally provide nutritional value, but we do recognize that some packaged items require preservatives. Food dyes don't provide either. They simply change the color of something that you'll be looking at for a matter of seconds. And what's worse, yellow 5 has been shown to potentially increase hyperactivity in children, and it may even promote the growth of cancer cells at higher doses. As far as the rest of the nutrition label, Sprite wins in every category except for sodium, where Mountain Dew beats it out by a teeny tiny 5 milligrams. So between the two, the answer is Sprite, whether you're looking at calories, added sugar, or carbs. All of this adds up to a pretty clear winner here. If you're choosing between Mountain Dew and Sprite, Sprite is definitely healthier. But if you're looking for an even healthier alternative, fruit juices and sparkling water can be surprisingly tasty. I myself am a big fan of lemon-lime sparkling water. Give it a try. All it takes is slicing a lemon and cracking open a new bottle of sparkling water. As far as commercial options go, Spindrift has a great limeade that's got lemon juice, lime juice, and carbonated water. That's it. If you're still hoping for something on the sweeter side, you could opt for ginger lemon Olipop or poppy lemon lime soda, each with fewer than 5 grams of sugar. Thanks for watching this Soda Smackdown between Mountain Dew and Sprite. That's all for today on Show Me What You're Made Of.